All right, so we're prepping the bike. Gonna try and figure out some fog lamps. So rip the whole thing apart. Trying to figure out some continuity issues with the electrical work. I don't know. Got my cousin helping me on this one. Well, there it is. We got the lights on, and holy shimolies, very bright. And it's all connected. See that? Excited to have these crazy lights. Yeah. So it turns out the negative wire was connected to a signal wire. That's it. Took a lot to figure it out though. But we now have beautiful lights.